Another for sale by owner. I don't know why I keep on doing this to myself. Hi, I just talked to you on the phone about your for sale by owner.
Yeah, come on in. I mean, I have a box in the way, but
okay.
I mean, can you get in?
I think your dog got out too.
Stanley!
Oh, goodness.
Stanley, get back here! Stanley, I said you get back here right now.
Oh boy. Yeah, that's good.
So I'm gonna wear my shoes, but I don't know where your shoes have been. So can you take them off?
Yeah, no worries. No, I completely.
They're probably really
completely understand.
That's gross. Okay, well, welcome.
Oh, thanks.
Would you like to see my house?
Yeah, no, I'd love to.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Where should I start?
Well, come this way.
Oh.
I mean, see, this is the this is my shiplap wall.
That's nice.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a beautiful house, really open.
Yeah.
My name's Shannon. Oh.
Hi, I'm Trisha.
Trisha. Well,
Yeah.
I did see some photos online.
Yeah, I took close-ups. Did you like those? I thought like real close pictures of my stairs were good. You know.
With your phone?
Yeah.
Oh.
I have a really nice iPhone. It's like the number 6.
Yeah.
It's good.
A little bit different than what I've seen, but I guess it still works.
Yeah, I mean, you're here.
Yeah, very true. Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't see a sign out in front either.
I don't need a sign. I mean, I put it online. Look, you called me. I don't need a sign.
Okay.
That's good.
Well, where should we start first?
Well, let me show you.
So is there a way?
Are you comfortable with me walking really close with you?
Well, I was just wondering if I could maybe look around the house a little bit.
Okay, well, if you want to do that, I'm going to need you to wear this bell.
A bell?
I'll know where you're at if you wear this.
Oh, okay.
It just jingles.
Oh boy. Oh, thanks. Okay, well, I will meet you here in just a second. I'm just gonna walk over here if that's okay.
Okay, I'll be in my kitchen.
Oh, great.
Okay.
Great.
Are you sure you don't need me?
I don't get it. Like, it's a really nice house, but this lady's crazy. Wow, this is a really nice home.
Thanks.
I
know.
I was just kind of curious, you know, it is a really beautiful home, and I don't want to insult, but I was just kind of wondering where you got your number, because I live in the area, most of the houses are right around 500,000, and I noticed you have this thing priced right around 600.
Right, well, I mean, one, you already said it yourself, it's a really beautiful house, so, I mean, 600,000 isn't out of the question, and talked to my mom about it. She sold her house before. She about 20 years ago she sold it, but I mean she sold it once. And my uncle, he lives in New York and he does real estate sometimes, and he told me that I should try to get as much out of the house as I possibly can, and I think it's worth 600,000. And so, I mean, why not?
Did you have a real estate agent price your house out at all?
No, I hate real estate agents. Why would I let them come in here and just take all my money from me?
Oh. So what about contracts and stuff?
What do you mean? Like, I just want to sell it. You can just write me a contract. You just make me an offer. I mean, I'll get you some paper.
Oh, well, I was just kind of curious. So no representation at all?
I don't even know what that means.
Oh.
I'm representing myself. I'm the homeowner.
Well, what about title insurance?
What is that?
Oh boy. So, do you know your shares of irrigation?
I mean, watch this. See, my water works.
No, I was talking more about your landscaping water.
I have a guy, his name's Jimmy. I call Jimmy when I have a problem, and Jimmy just comes and fixes everything you want. You want to call Jimmy?
Oh, well, maybe soon. Nice. It's really nice home. Oh my gosh!
What? Just standing here.
Oh my.
All right. Is there anything else you'd like to see?
No, I'm just gonna go this way real quick.
For what? You can't look in here.
Oh.
No.
What is in there?
I can't tell you.
Oh. Well.
It's my closet.
Okay.
So what do you think?
Oh, it's a beautiful home. It really
thanks.
is. You've decorated it very nicely.
Thank you. Yeah, it takes a lot of time to do this.
Yeah.
You want to give me an offer? You want to write a contract?
Oh, well, I need to think about it a little bit. Right now, I'm just currently looking just to make sure it's the right.
Like, what do you need to think about?
Well, I mean, it's
nice.
It is very nice.
You said you needed 4 bedrooms. It has 4 bedrooms.
Yeah. I think it's more about the price right now. It's priced a little bit high.
No, it's not. I mean, it is not overpriced. This is a good price. You need to buy. It's a good deal for you.
Well, I need to talk to my real estate agent just to make sure.
I mean, do you have cash? Can you just pay cash?
Oh, well, we're not there quite yet. So I just want to talk to.
What have we been doing here today? Seriously, I mean, I wore this pretty dress. I put on this headband to impress you, to show you my house, and you don't even want to buy it.
Oh no, I really appreciate that, but you know, typically.
No, whatever. You just wasted all my time. You ruined my dreams.
Oh, well, I'm really sorry.
No, you just need to go. You just need to get out of here. I don't want to sell my house to you now, because you're a jerk.
You're a crazy lady.
You're a jerk.
You're a crazy lady. Go find yourself an agent.
We sure hope you guys enjoyed our spoof on For Sale by Owner. Playing the part of the crazy lady was quite fun. But as you can see, those interactions between seller and buyer without a realtor in the middle can get kind of awkward. So we really encourage, if you're looking to buy or sell, to contact us.
Well, it can get awkward fast, and there's reasons why. The realtor still exists, and we would love to prove that we still have tremendous value in the marketplace. So if you're looking to buy or sell real estate in 2020, give us a call.
See you later.